How to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. First solution. So, you've uploaded a video on TikTok, but it's not showing up on the For You feed. First things first, make sure there's no copyrighted material in your video. If there is, you'll need to delete it and upload something original. Second solution. Grab your phone and open the TikTok app. Tap on your profile picture. It's usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you'll see 3 little lines in the top right corner. Tap on those to open up the menu. In the menu, you'll find Settings and Privacy. Give that a tap. Now, scroll down until you see Report a Problem. Tap on that. After that, you'll see Account and Profile. Yep, tap on that too. Tap on Profile Page. Scroll down until you see Other. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Tap on that. Now, you'll see Need More Help. Go ahead and tap on that too. This is where you explain what's going on. Tell TikTok that your video is original and doesn't have any copyrighted stuff. Be detailed, but don't stress too much. If you have any screenshots to show the issue, you can attach them here. Hit Submit, and now you wait. TikTok support team will review your problem and hopefully get back to you pretty soon. And that's it. By following these steps and reaching out to TikTok support team, you should be able to fix the issue of your videos not being eligible for the For You feed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.